This is the Craftsman 3-ton jack, jack stands, and creeper set. Just what you need to do serious auto repair and service at your home instead of the shop. The heavy-duty welded construction of this jack gives you 6,000 pounds of pure lifting power with a range of 5.5 to 19.25 inches. Plenty of clearance for cars, trucks, minivans, SUVs, trailers, and more. This easy rolling creeper is a generous 36 inches long and has a built-in headrest for comfort on the longer, bigger jobs. The sturdy twin jack stands give you additional peace of mind when you're underneath your car or truck. With easy assembly and storage and a 1-year warranty, it's the Craftsman 3-ton jack, jack stands, and creeper set. Quality, dependability, trust. That's the kind of quality and performance you can expect from Craftsman.